So we'll do more problems. Page number 827, third one we'll do. Okay, so see what he says in the third problem. From the following particulars relate to Sridhar Bank Limited, prepare profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2004 according to prescribed form. Okay, so he has given the bank a name, that is Sridhar Bank Limited, and he is asking you to prepare profit and loss account. All information is given. We'll read one after the other. Interest on discount is given. This is interest earned. Interest on balance with RBI. This is also interest earned. Interest on balance with RBI means we are giving money to the balance RBI as loan. Payment to and provisions by employees. This is operating expenses. Advertisement and publicity, this is operating expenses. Loss on sale of land and building and other assets. So we sold here land and building, that is 200. From that loss we have to deduct. Profit on sale of exchange transaction 15, that is other income. Director fees, allowances and expenses, this is other operating expenses. Interest on deposits, this is interest expended. We are paying interest. We are paying interest. Auditor fees, operating. Depreciation bank property, operating expenses. Profit on sale of investment and loss on sale of investment. From this profit you deduct loss. This you have to write other income. Income from investment, this is direct income. Interest earned you write. Commission, exchange and brokerage, this also you have to write under other income. Rent and taxes, taxes and lighting, this is operating expense. Printing and stationery, operating expenses. Interest on RBI borrowings, this is interest expended. Law charges, operating charges, insurance, operating charges, miscellaneous income. Then this is we have to write under other income. Postage, telegram and telephone, we have to write this under operating expenses. Balance of last year is giving. Balance of profit for the year ended 31st March 2003 brought forward. Our year is 2004. This is last year profit, and some more items is saying make a provision for 8 lakhs. Provision for tax. This we have to write under provision for doubtful debts. Provisions and contingencies. Provision for taxation and doubtful debts. Both we have to write under 8 lakhs plus 70,000. 8 lakhs 70,000. We have to write under provision for taxation. Contingencies and reserves. 3 zeros we have to omit. And the bills on rebate on bills discounted. Okay, this we have to deduct from interest earned. Okay, interest on discount we have to deduct from bills discounted is given somewhere here. Interest on discount, from this we have to deduct this 30. 3 zeros you have to strike off. This 3 zeros you strike off here. This also. This, why you are striking off means in the question it says 3 zeros omitted. Here he has omitted, but here in this he has not omitted. We have to omit. Okay, chali. So we'll solve the problem. So I have written a format. Okay, the entire format we have tried this. I prepared the format and we have tried the items which all comes in here. So we know first item will write under, first here is income. First we'll write income. Okay, income under we have tried first interest earned, schedule 13. Other income, schedule 14. Then we have to do total. Then we have tried Roman number to expenditure. Okay, we write interest expended. Okay, then we write operating expenses. Then we write provisions and contingencies. Schedule 15, schedule 16, there is no schedule. Then we do total. Then we write Roman number 3. We write net profit for the current year. Then we write profit brought forward. Then we do total 3. Roman number 4. We write appropriations. Okay, in this we have tried transfer to statutory reserve, then transfer to balance sheet. We write total 4 here. Okay, so this all format we have written. Now we'll write see the items in text question, and one after the other we'll write in our working notes. So first is interest on discount, so that is interest earned. So we'll write under interest earned, interest and discount. How much is that? 6500. From that we have to deduct this rebate. How much rebate? 30. We have to deduct rebate 30 here adjustment. Okay, directly I'm doing first. Next, interest on balance with RBI. So this also we have to write. Balance is with RBI. How much is RBI? 500. Payment to and provision for employment. Employee. So we write under operating expenses payments. 35 we have written here, payments to employees. Next we are having advertisement and publicity, that also we have to write here, that is 13. Next, loss on sale of building is there, so other income we have to write first. Profit on sale of building, profit is 200. Okay, profit on sale of building and other assets 200. From that you deduct loss. How much is loss? 2 minus loss 2. Okay, next after that we have to write profit on exchange transaction 15. So right here other income, exchange transactions, how much is that profit? 15. Okay, next director fees is, you have to write director fees under operating expense. How much is director fees? 16. Interest on deposits, you have to write interest expended. On deposits we are paying interest, we have to write here. How much is that? 1500. Okay, after that auditor fees and expenses, you have to write under operating. Auditor fees, how much is auditor fees? 40. Next is depreciation on bank property. How much is the depreciation? 20. That also we have to write here, depreciation 20. Profit on sale of investment, you write here 60 minus 50 loss. Profit 600 minus loss, both on investment. Okay, next we have written income from investment. This you have to write under direct income. Interest earned, investments from we are earning some income. Okay, so right here amount is 300. Next, commission, exchange and brokerage, that you have to write under other income. Commission, how much is commission? 400. Okay, next we are having rent, rate, taxes. So rent you have to write under operating expenses. Rent, how much we are having? 100. Printing also we have to write here 12. After that we are having what? After printing we are having profit on sale of land. We have done interest on RBI inter borrowings. So RBI borrowings, we are borrowing money, we are paying interest. How much is the interest? 10 rupees. Law charges 2, that right under operating 2. This is 12 and this is 2. Insurance 4, that is also under right here under operating 4. Insurance. Miscellaneous income right under other income. Miscellaneous income amount is 10 written. After that postage, telegram, so write postage here. How much is postage? 6. Done. Balance of last year profit, right? 500 here directly. Last year 500. Return. Provisions, both we have to write 80 plus 70, 870. So provisions and contingencies you write 800 plus 70, 870 directly I am writing. So both provisions we are having, one provision we are having for taxation, other provision for doubtful debts. So we have written both here, 80 plus 70, 870. Okay, so everything is done, right? So we have to get the totals of this schedule working notes. So first we'll get total of interest earned. So we are having here 650 minus 30 plus 500 plus 300. We are getting 7270. 6500 minus 30 plus 500 plus 300. 7270 total we are getting of interest earned. Okay, next other income total we have to do. We are getting total 7270. Now we have to get total of other income. 200 minus 2, 198 plus 15 plus 550 plus 400 plus 10, 1173. 1173 plus total one again, once again 200 minus 2 15 600 minus 50 plus 400 plus 10. Okay, now this total is 1510. This will write interest expended 1510. Operating expenses total we have to do 10 14 24 24 plus 100 plus 20 plus 40 plus 16 plus 3500 13 plus 16 plus 40 plus 20 plus 15 16 40 20 100 12 2 4 6 3713 total we are getting. Let me check one more time. 3500 13 plus 16 plus 40 plus 20 plus 100 plus 12 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 3713. Okay, we got the totals. We'll do the total of income first. 7270 plus 1173. We are getting 8443. Total income is 48443. Now we have to do total of interest expended 1510 expenditure plus 3713 plus 870 6093. Okay, 6093 8443 minus 6093 you deduct, you get 2350. So current year profit is 2350. Total 1 minus total 2 profit we are getting. Okay, and this transfer 232350 into 25%. Both total is how much? Total of profits 2350 plus 500 2850. Here also you have tried 2850. Okay, now 2350 into 25% you have to transfer. So we are getting 587.5. Now from 587.5 you deduct 2850, 226.5. Transfer to balance sheet is 226.5. Easy, we have already done this. What you do? How did you get with this current year profit? Income, how much is income? 8443. Expenditure total is 6093. If you deduct total 1 minus total 2, you get profit of 2350. So 2350 profit to current year, last year profit is 500. So total profit is 2850. So from 2350 transfer 25% to statutory reserve. So we are getting 5875. 587.5 we are getting. So from 2850 total, if you are transferring to statutory reserve 58.7.5, that balance will be 2262.5 transferred to balance sheet. Okay, like this we have to solve. This is the third problem which we have solved. Okay, so one more I'll solve. We'll do one fourth problem. Okay, here we are having adjustment. It's very easy. Okay, it's a small problem. It is. What is saying? The following balances are extracted from the books of Prospect Bank Limited as of 31st March 2003. Prepare profit and loss account as per the Banking Companies Act. Okay, so profit and loss account, credit balance means this is last year profit he has given. Director fees, operating expenses, audit fees, operating expenses, interest and discount. Schedule number 13, commission, other income, postage, other operating expenses, rent and taxes, operating expenses, printing and stationery, operating salaries, operating legal fees, expenses, operating contribution to employee provident fund, operating expenses. Now we are having three adjustments here. Depreciation is to be charged on land and building 8000 and on furniture 3500. So this 8500 plus 3500, both depreciation we have tried under operating expenses. So create a provision for taxation. This is provisions and contingencies 1,10,000 and rebate on bill discounted 15,000. From this interest and discounts you have to deduct 15,000. See, here also 3 zeros omitted, here also 3 zeros omitted. Such a small problem we can easily solve. Only two working notes we have to prepare. One working note that is interest earned, another working note is operating expenses. Okay. So I have written heading and I have prepared two workings. One is interest and other is operating expenses. So first we'll prepare and try the entire format. So we know the format, right? First we have tried here. We will first complete the format. So first Roman number 1 we know. income. So under this we have to write first interest earned, schedule 13, other income, schedule 14, then we write total 1, then we have to write expenditure, interest expended, then we write operating expenses, then we write provisions and contingencies, then we write total 2, Roman number 3, profit slash loss, profit for the current year, CY I am writing, CY means current year, profit of last year, LY last year. Okay, then we do total 3, then we write Roman number 4. We'll write here what appropriations. We'll write here transfer to statutory reserve, this is compulsory, then transfer to balance sheet, then we'll write total 4. Okay, so one after the other we'll write and we'll complete this problem. First we are having profit and loss account current year 40,323. So this is last year profit, so last year profit I am writing 40,323, 40,323. Director fees, so this is operating expenses, so we can write under schedule 15 operating expenses, director fees 4980. Next we are having audit fees, that is also we have to write under operating expenses, audit fees 1000. Okay, next after that we are having interest and discount, that we have to write under interest earned, interest and discount, this is interest earned 2,10,223, 2,10,223. Next is commission 102,225, we can directly write under other income 102,225. Okay, 1,02,225 directly we can write under other income. Next we are having what? Postage. So postage we have to write under operating expense. So write under operating expenses postage. How much is postage? 1153. So after that what we are having, rent and taxes 8,500. Okay, after that we are having printing and stationery 3,900. Printing, so we have written printing and stationery. Next we are having salaries 42,150, so that will write under operating expenses, salaries 42,150. Next we are having legal expenses, we are having 1650, so we'll write legal expenses 1650. After that we are having contribution to PF, so we'll write here contribution. How much we are having? 10,000. Okay, so we are having again depreciation, sorry we have to write depreciation, how much? 8,000 and 3,500. Depreciation 8,000 plus 3,500, 8,000 plus 3,500, 11,500 put together. I am writing depreciation here. Next we are having create a provision for taxation, write that under directly provisions and contingencies 1,10,000. Okay, next we are having rebates on bill discounted, deduct that from interest and discount rebate 15,000. Okay, then we have written all the items. Now we'll close this format. First working notes will close 2,10,223 minus 15,000, getting 1,00,000 1,95,223. So you can write this under interest earned 1,95,223. 223. Okay. Next we have to do total of operating expenses. 4,980, 1,000, 1,153, 8,500, 3,390, 4,250, 1,650, 1,000, 10,000, 11,500. Total is 46,413. Let me check total once. 4,980, 1,000, 1,153, 8,500, 3,390, 42,150, 1,650, 10,000, 11,500. 84, 323 we are getting. 3, 2, 3. 84,323. Let me check once also. Once again, 4980, 1,000, 1,153, 8,500, 3,390, 42,150. Yes, 42,150 plus 1,650, 10,000, 11,500. 84,323. The total of operating expenses is 84,323. So there is no interest expended. Okay, so we have to do addition of income. 1,95,223 plus 10,000 to 1,02,225. So we are getting 2,97,448. 195,223 plus 102,225. 297,448. Now we have to do total of expenditure now. 84,323 plus 1,10,000. 1,94,323. Okay. Now from 2,97,448 minus 1,94,323, if we deduct, we'll get profit of current year will be 103,125. Okay. And we have to transfer some profit, 25% of current year profit to 103,125 into 25%. We have to transfer to statutory reserve. 25%. We are getting 103,125 to 25. 03,125 into 25%. We are getting 25,781. 25,781.25. Okay. Now do the totals of these both profits. 103,125 plus 40,125 plus 40,323. So we are getting total profit as 1,43,448. Okay. So here also we'll write 1,43,448. From that you deduct minus 25,781.25. 1,17,666. So 1,17,676.5. Okay, this is transferred to balance sheet. Okay, so I have done 4 problems. In first video 2 problems and this video 2 problems. 4 problems I have solved.